traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So as you can see, we did have a big pin candle, but this candle still has 14 days before it actually closes, 14 trading days. So I would definitely still assume that there is a very good chance that this is going to go up. My target is still around the 2250 area, and I do see the potential that it could potentially go actually quite a bit further up than that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we did have a big spike reversal type pattern, but I personally think that this is going to keep on drifting up. I think that the only reason it went down so strong is because it went up and took out all-time highs, and it bounced off a significant Fibonacci level. But I still think that this is going to continue on these higher time frames to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and just keep on trending up towards that 2250 area and maybe even beyond that. So going down to the daily, I think it's extremely clear that the daily has the end of an ABC correction right at the 78%. 3 waves down, impulsive up. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we had some decent little pullbacks on sort of time frames, especially with the fact that we are near all-time highs on gold. And there probably is going to be a lot of volatility, but I do believe that on the daily, it is going to continue also to make higher highs, higher lows, to just keep on trending up. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. So I wouldn't be surprised, especially with the fact that we recently broke this structure, that if we did get a decent little pullback and maybe even turned into like a 1 and a 2 and eventually went up and made a wave 3. Like I said, it's likely that this move up is going to be pretty choppy because of the all-time highs and the fact that there's going to be a lot of selling pressure, but I do believe that it is going to continue to go up, and I am definitely primarily looking for longs on soda time frames. Now going down to the 1 hour, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it did go down, but I would definitely not be trading based on that, and I definitely would not be taking the short. I do think there is a good chance that it is going to make an ABC of 2, and this is going to be a 1, and eventually it's going to go up for a wave 3, but we can't really count on it going down and making a correction. I think the best bet for us is to continue to look for longs, because this is probably more likely and more probability is way more likely that this will just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and this is just going to keep on making those patterns that I showed you on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.